Bonjour tout le monde. Okay, so we are going to go back to our grammar practice page and do our notes for today. Okay, so we did tu and vous yesterday. Now let's go down to négatifs. So négatif just means the negatives, and the negative means what you do not like or what you are not. I am not funny. I do not eat pizza. She does not want to go to the movies. Okay, so it's the do not. Okay, now in English we have these two words. Oftentimes we say don't and we squish it together, but we have two words, do not. Okay, now in French it's the same. There are two words, and I think we even talked about this last week. So here is how it goes. Okay, so the first thing that we have in this first line, you're going to write the pronoun. Okay, for example, je. Okay, I. Then if you want to say I do not eat pizza, or I do not like, let's just do I do not like. So the next thing that comes is ne. Okay, that's kind of like the do part of English. Okay, if we're going to try and translate it. We can't really translate this directly because it doesn't work. But je ne. And then we have the verb in the middle. Okay, so the verb, for example, aime. Okay, so pronoun, I'm going to take these away because it gets kind of confusing, plus ne, plus the verb, and then after the verb is pas. Okay, so pronoun, ne, verb, pas. So what I want you to do is I want you to highlight this in a color, the ne pas, because that is what makes it negative, the do not. Okay, and then highlight this the same color. Pause this video whenever you need to catch up. I made a little mistake here. I'm going to do this. Okay, ne pas. Okay, and then I want you to choose this a color that you want. I'll do red, because I want you to keep in mind that the verb goes in the middle of ne and pas. Okay, it's not like that in English. In English we say I do not like, and in French it's kind of like I do like not. Okay, so ne pas. All right. Okay, once you get that, let's see what this looks like kind of in a real sentence. So on number one, oh, what did I do, madame? Oh my gosh, I'm so silly. Okay, number one, let's just say I do not like candy. I don't know. Okay, so I do not like. So we're going to follow our pattern up here. Je, our pronoun, and then remember it's plus ne. Ne. Oh no, let's do this one instead. I want to start with a vowel. I do not eat snails. Okay? Je ne, and then we have our verb, mange, and I have my E. I'm going to even underline that because we need to make sure we have agreement. And then je ne mange, and our formula next is pas. Oops, don't want to underline that. Okay, pas. Je ne mange pas, and then candy. Les bonbons is candy. Okay, I'm going to make that italics. Okay, so here we have pronoun plus ne plus verb plus pas. Okay, je ne mange pas. What I want you to do is do the same thing we did up here. So if you highlighted in yellow, let's highlight in yellow, because color coding makes our brains make connections. I did my verb red, so I'm going to do red, just like this. Je ne mange pas les bonbons equals I do not like candy. Okay? All right, let's do another one. Let's do an she does not like. Okay, she, elle. And then ne comes next, ne. And then the verb is to like, aime. And I know that with L and E go together. Now notice, Google did this for me already. What is the problem here? Ne, oh, it even pops up. Oh my God, it's giving away the answers. And A, we don't like two vowels together, remember? Ne, M, no, we want it to be smushed together and just be nem. So we're going to put an apostrophe, and now it's el, nem. What comes next? Look at our formula. Hopefully you did pas. Okay. Elle n'aime pas. She does not like pizza. La pizza. Okay? Now let's do the same thing. Let's highlight this in yellow. Ne pas. Notice it's around the verb like a bookmark. And then make our verb a color. Elle n'aime pas la pizza. You try and say it. All right, hopefully you said it. Elle n'aime pas la pizza. Okay, and remember it's not pas. We never, ever, ever pronounce S's at the end of a word. Elle n'aime pas la pizza. She does not like pizza. Okay? All right, let's do another one. Let's do one with two verbs. Why is that saying? Oh, it wants me to contract it. I don't like doing that because I want you to see that there are two words. Let's do one where there's two verbs. Like, we do not like to play. I don't know. Let's just make something up. We do not like to play whatever, any sport. Basketball. I know that's not true for all of us, but we're just going to practice. We, nous, and then we need the ne, and then like, our verb like, we do not like. On, don't forget, nous goes with on, O-N-S, okay. Nous ne aimons pas, uh-oh, something's wrong here. Nous ne aimons, vowel, hopefully we're going to do that. Nous n'aimons pas. Okay, now it's just like in English. We do not like, and then to play. And to play is jouer, ER verb. I'm going to color code this in a different color. Nous n'aimons pas jouer, to play. Nous n'aimons pas jouer au basket. Okay? Equals, we do not like to play basketball. Voila. All right. This is what you have. Okay, make sure you have all of this. Make sure you're color coding all of your things with your colored pencils. And now make sure you use these notes to do your worksheet. So your guest teacher is going to give you your worksheet to practice les négatifs. So make sure you have les négatifs practice sheet, and you can use your notes, and you're going to do that and turn it into me, okay? And I will see you guys either tomorrow or Thursday when I'm back from La Floride. All right? All right, au revoir tout le monde.